Welcome to today's topic. How much money can you make as an affiliate marketer? As an expert in affiliate marketing, I'm excited to share with you some valuable insights on this subject. Firstly, let's get one thing clear: there's no set income limit in affiliate marketing. Your earning potential is limitless, and it all depends on your skills, strategy, and efforts. However, the amount of money you make will also depend on the commission structure of the affiliate program you choose to work with. Generally, affiliate programs pay commission rates ranging from 5% to 50%. So, for example, if you promote a product that costs $100 and the commission rate is 10%, you'll make $10 for every sale. Therefore, the more sales you make, the more money you'll earn. It's also essential to choose affiliate programs that align with your niche and audience. This ensures that you're promoting products that your audience is interested in, and therefore, the chances of making more sales are higher. Furthermore, it's crucial to build trust with your audience to increase the likelihood of them making a purchase through your affiliate link. Another factor that affects your income potential is the type of affiliate program you choose. There are three types of affiliate programs: pay-per-click, PPC, pay-per-lead, PPL, and pay-per-sale, PPS. PPC programs pay you each time someone clicks on your affiliate link. PPL programs pay you when someone fills out a lead form. PPS programs pay you when someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. PPC and PPL programs typically offer lower commission rates than PPS programs. Still, they may be more accessible to promote and may result in higher conversion rates, ultimately leading to more income. Lastly, your income potential will also depend on the amount of effort you put into affiliate marketing. Successful affiliate marketers are constantly promoting their affiliate products, creating valuable content, building their audience, and experimenting with new strategies. Consistency is key in this business. The amount of money you can make as an affiliate marketer is limitless, but it all depends on your efforts, the affiliate programs you choose, and your overall strategy. As an expert in affiliate marketing, my advice is to choose programs that align with your niche, build trust with your audience, and be consistent in your efforts. Before we wrap up, I wanted to share with you an incredible opportunity to learn more about affiliate marketing. If you're serious about making money as an affiliate marketer, I highly recommend that you check out our free 90-minute training session. In this training, you'll learn the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, including how to choose the right products to promote, how to create effective content, and how to build a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations. This training is led by some of the most successful affiliate marketers in the industry, and it's completely free. By the end of the training, you'll have the knowledge and tools you need to start earning a substantial income as an affiliate marketer. To access this training, simply click on the affiliate link provided below. This link will take you directly to the sign-up page, where you can reserve your spot in the training session. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the link and start your journey to becoming a successful affiliate marketer today.